It's a 2014 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual tilting steering column, power heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, OnStar remote link, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.